Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Gluster Friday 5. Today is January 25th, 2019, and we have with us this week Atin, Kotresh, Sham, and Amar's here as well. And they're going to share some of the top 5 things that have been going on in Glusterland this week. So first, let's start with Atin. I think he's got some updates on GCS.
All right, thanks, John. Uh, I'm going to talk more about the GCS 1.0, which we had been talking in a couple of series of this particular instance, anyways. But what is coming in that uh, next week we will be releasing this 1.0. The focus has been basically to uh, get into some of the critical peers what we had been working on, along with some documentation related stuffs. Overall, the progress has been really good. We kind of managed to almost finish the work on that RWO side. CSI pieces have been kind of reviewed and worked on. So it's kind of looking pretty good in that way. So yeah, watch out for GCS 1.0, and you definitely like to have more feedback coming from the users about how exactly GCS 1.0 brings the change in the experience. And yeah, happy to hear from the community as well. Now, along with GCS 1.0, what we are also focusing on more on the content of what our current website offers. Uh, we definitely want to enhance our website to talk more about different storage workloads, what we can actually offer with Cluster. So this is a kind of a call out to everyone who are users and use Gluster in different purposes to write blogs, tag us so that we can get to know your use cases, and we can come up with different variety set of content, how Gluster can fit into your storage needs. That's kind of it from my side. Kotresh will also talk about few more aspects around GCS work. So over to you, Kotresh.
Yeah, thanks, Atin. So this week we have made good progress with respect to two of the major features for GCS 1.0. One being thin arbiter feature and a CSI driver for it. The patch has merged yesterday, and users can test it out with the GCS 1.0 release. And the other work being the RWO feature with virtual block using loopback driver in the backend. And there's a lot of work done this week, and a lot of review comments have addressed, and it is almost ready to be merged. So hopefully it will get merged early next week, and you will get it in GCS 1.0 as well. So that's about the two important features, and I'll hand over to Sham for Gluster FS updates.
So this is Sham. So we come to the core Gluster FS updates. We've been talking about release 6 and the patch update releases for 5 and 4.1 in the last couple of Fridays. So the patch updates are out. Release 6 branching should have been done by today, but it's still underway. We are looking at certain performance regressions, and we're not waiting on any features, but we're just looking to see if our performance is not degraded over the releases and that we are in a good shape to go ahead and branch. We may still branch and then fix the performance regressions, but we're just doing due diligence there. Other than that, in the core Gluster code and code base, we're actually looking at lock-free thread implementation that Zavi has put upstream. This has shown some good improvements in certain areas of performance where we had a lot of IO thread contention in our existing threading model, and this lock-free model actually helps alleviate some of those contentions and improves the performance. This is by no means ready for production. It's just a heads up that we are trying to work on the threading model in in Gluster to improve the performance in future releases as well. So that's it from the core Gluster land. Over to you, John.
All right, thanks for that update. And there you have it. That's the top items for the week. If you like these episodes and have some feedback, let us know on the mailing list or Twitter or however it is that you like to send messages to us. And we will see you again next week. Thanks.